hello to all the dedicated professionals out there in the fields of maintenance and operations. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we will unravel the jargon of our industry. We'll define commonly used terms, giving you the knowledge to communicate more effectively and work more proficiently. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled by acronyms or industry-specific terms, stay tuned. We are about to make everything clear. First up, we have the bill of materials. This is nothing but a detailed list of parts and their respective quantities required to complete a project. Next, we have breakdown maintenance. This refers to maintenance performed on equipment that is broken down, faulted, or otherwise cannot be operated. Then we have CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. This is software that stores data about maintenance performed on equipment, machinery, and other assets. Condition-based maintenance, or CBM, uses sensor devices to collect real-time measurements like pressure, temperature, or vibration on a piece of equipment. This helps maintenance personnel perform maintenance at the exact moment it is needed. Corrective maintenance occurs when a maintenance technician discovers a problem while completing a preventive maintenance, inspection, general, or emergency work order. Deferred maintenance refers to repairs to infrastructure and assets that get delayed and backlogged because of budget limitations and lack of funding. Downtime is the amount of time that equipment is not operating, whether that's a result of unplanned equipment failure like a fault or broken part, or planned downtime for preventive maintenance. EAM software, or Enterprise Asset Management Software, is a type of maintenance software that collects and analyzes data for physical assets during all phases of the asset lifecycle, including the acquisition, maintenance, and disposal phase. Emergency maintenance is a type of reactive maintenance used to prevent a threat to lives, property, profitability, or viability of an organization. Failure-finding task is an inspection that reveals hidden failures or potential failures within an asset. FMEA is a process available to organizations to identify potential failures with assets and other areas of business. Industry 4.0 is the latest trend in industrial production, characterized by the use of interconnected cyber-physical systems. Inspection involves tasks that check the condition of equipment and determine what tools, materials, and labor are required to service them. Lean Six Sigma is a process that aims to systematically eliminate waste and reduce variation. Lockout-tagout, or LOTO, are safety practices and procedures that ensure dangerous machines are properly shut off and are not able to unexpectedly release hazardous energy during maintenance activities. Maintenance backlog is a measure of required maintenance work that has not been completed. A maintenance log is a document that records activities that have been performed on an asset. Maintenance repair and overhaul, or MRO, includes all the components required to keep a company focused on its core mission, which includes tests and repairs, as well as the supplies and equipment required to keep all the individual components, machines, and equipment running. Mean time between failure, or MTBF, is a metric that defines the average time that equipment is operating between breakdowns or stoppages. Mean time to repair, or MTR, or MTTR, is the average time it takes for equipment to be diagnosed, repaired, and recovered after experiencing a failure. An operation and maintenance manual is a comprehensive document that provides all the details necessary about a physical plant, as well as individual pieces of equipment to help the maintenance staff keep everything running smoothly. Overall, equipment effectiveness, or OEE, is a standard used for measuring plant performance. A PF curve is a graph that shows the health of equipment over time to identify the interval between potential failure and functional failure. Periodic maintenance are activities performed on equipment based on a set time interval. Planned maintenance is the process of determining what work needs to be completed and how it is to be done. Planned maintenance optimization is a method of improving maintenance strategies based on existing preventive maintenance routines and available failure history. Planned maintenance percentage, or PMP, is a percentage that describes the amount of maintenance time used towards planned maintenance tasks, which is measured against the total amount of maintenance hours in a given time period. Precision maintenance describes the maintenance culture in a facility. Predictive maintenance, or PDM, is a type of condition-based maintenance in which assets are monitored with sensor devices that supply data about the asset's condition, which is used to predict when the asset will require maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a type of proactive maintenance that keeps assets in good order and reduces unscheduled downtime and major repairs. Proactive maintenance is a maintenance strategy that performs corrective action to conditions that can lead to equipment failure. Reactive maintenance is the process of repairing assets and restoring them to normal operating conditions after a breakdown or observances of unusual performance. Reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, is a process for determining the level of maintenance that's needed for a company to operate effectively in terms of overall cost, production availability, spare parts stockholding, and other factors. Root cause analysis is a systematic process of identifying the origin of an incident. Routine maintenance is the regular inspection and servicing of machines and systems that keep operations running smoothly. Run-to-failure maintenance, or RTF, is a maintenance strategy that is sometimes more appropriately called fit and forget because there is no maintenance plan beyond complete replacement upon failure. SCADA, or Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, is a computer system used to monitor and control plant processes. Schedule compliance is a maintenance metric that measures the percentage of time that scheduled work orders are completed over a period of time. Scheduled discard task involves replacing a specific part or component of a piece of equipment at regular time intervals, regardless of its performance quality. Scheduled maintenance is any repair and upkeep work performed within a set time frame that details when maintenance tasks are performed and by whom. Scheduled restoration task is a complete overhaul of machinery or equipment that is performed on a predetermined schedule regardless of the condition of the equipment. Total productive maintenance, or TPM, is a maintenance strategy that requires total participation of the organization and maximizes equipment effectiveness by engaging multiple departments, including every single employee from top management down to the workforce. Useful life is an estimate of the number of years an asset will remain in profitable service. A work order is a formal document that describes maintenance work that is approved for execution. And finally, a work request is a formal document that describes maintenance work that needs to be completed. And there you have it, a comprehensive list of maintenance terms that you'll come across in the field. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your maintenance vocabulary. Remember, understanding these terms is key to successful maintenance and operations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We've covered a lot of ground today, going through key concepts and terms in the maintenance and operations field. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and expert knowledge. For more information, visit our website at UpKeep.com. Again, that's UpKeep.com. We look forward to helping you navigate your maintenance and operations journey. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.